In the world of Game of Thrones, love stories rarely end well. Kings betray queens, families destroy each other, and romance often leads to tragedy. But one love story from the show quietly escaped that fate. When Jon Snow fell in love with the wildling warrior Ygritte, millions of viewers watched their story unfold on screen. What many people didn't know at first was that something very real was happening behind the cameras. The actors who played them, Kit Harington and Rose Leslie, were slowly falling in love too. Kit Harington was born in London in 1986 and grew up in a family connected to the arts. His mother was a playwright, and from a young age he loved stories and theater. After studying acting at the Royal Central School of Speech and Drama, he got a life-changing opportunity. In 2011, HBO cast him as Jon Snow in a new fantasy series based on George R.R. Martin's novels. At the time, Kit was still very new to television. He had no idea the show would become one of the biggest series in the world. Rose Leslie came from a very different background. She was born in Aberdeen, Scotland, and grew up in a historic castle owned by her family. Like Kit, she studied acting seriously and graduated from the London Academy of Music and Dramatic Art. Before Game of Thrones, she had already gained attention for her role in the British series Downton Abbey, where she played the housemaid, Gwen. Their paths crossed in 2012 when Rose joined Game of Thrones in its second season as Ygritte, a fierce wildling who challenges Jon Snow beyond the wall. Their characters quickly became central to one of the show's most emotional storylines. Ygritte is bold, funny, and fearless. Jon is serious, loyal, and often uncertain about his place in the world. On screen, their relationship begins with tension and mistrust, but slowly grows into something deeper. One of their most famous scenes happens in a cave north of the Wall, where the two characters finally admit their feelings for each other. Years later, Kit Harington would tell interviewers that filming in Iceland during those early seasons became one of his favorite memories. In a 2016 interview with L'Uomo Vogue, he said that falling in love with Rose during that time made the experience unforgettable. He described Iceland as beautiful and magical, and said that if you are already attracted to someone, and then they play your love interest on the show, it becomes very easy to fall in love. At first, their relationship stayed quiet. Fans began to suspect something when the two actors were seen together outside the set. In 2012, they were photographed holding hands, which quickly created rumors. But both Kit and Rose were very private people. For several years, they rarely spoke publicly about their relationship. As Game of Thrones became more popular around the world, the attention around them grew. Yet they continued to keep most of their personal life away from the spotlight. Occasionally, they appeared together at events, but they avoided turning their relationship into a public spectacle. In 2016, fans noticed something new. Kit and Rose appeared together at the Olivier Awards in London, walking the red carpet as a couple. It was one of the first clear signs that their relationship was serious. Soon after, Kit confirmed in interviews that they were living together in England. Then came a moment that felt almost traditional in a very modern celebrity world. In September 2017, the couple announced their engagement in a formal notice printed in The Times, a British newspaper. The announcement was simple and classic. It stated that Kit Harington and Rose Leslie were engaged to be married. Their wedding took place on June 23, 2018, in Scotland. The ceremony was held at Rain Church in Aberdeenshire, not far from the castle where Rose grew up. After the ceremony, guests celebrated at Wardhill Castle, her family home. Many familiar faces from Game of Thrones attended the wedding. Actors such as Emilia Clarke, Peter Dinklage, Sophie Turner, and Maisie Williams were there to celebrate with them. Photos from the day show the couple smiling as they walked out of the church, surrounded by friends, family, and a little bit of Game of Thrones history. After the wedding, their lives became quieter again. Both continued working as actors, but they also focused on building a private family life away from constant public attention. In 2021, the couple welcomed their first child, a son. In 2023, they had their second child. Kit and Rose have chosen not to share many details about their children, keeping that part of their lives very personal. Even today, they rarely speak about their relationship in dramatic ways. Instead, when they mention each other in interviews, it is often simple and warm. Kit has said that Rose is one of the most important people in his life, and that he feels very lucky to have met her on the show that changed everything. In Game of Thrones, the love story between Jon Snow and Ygritte ends in heartbreak. Ygritte dies in Jon's arms during battle, leaving one of the most emotional moments in the entire series. But outside the world of Westeros, the story continued differently. The actors who once stood together in the frozen lands beyond the wall found something real that survived long after the cameras stopped rolling. And while their characters could never have a happy ending, Kit Harington and Rose Leslie quietly wrote their own. One that began with a fictional romance on television and became a real love story in the world beyond the screen.